Oh,
Hai.
hello. So, Tribuners, welcome back to
Cakap sana, cakap sini.
Wow. So, we are came from
Bistro.
Bistro. Okay, so I am Rizky and here I'm not alone. This is my partner, so let's get to know them.
Hi, I'm Ayunda.
Hello, I'm Faros.
Halo, aku Anat.
So, okay, today, as you know that we are students, and as you guys can see the headlines that today, we're gonna talk about how to be mentally healthy
Healthy.
during study. So, okay, so before we continue to the topic, right? So, before we continue to the main topic, before we discuss about that,
Okay.
so let's get to know about what is the reason that we choose the BizPro for our major in this university.
Okay.
So I think we can start from Ayunda.
For me, I think because I like watch movie and then I like listen music from American song or others. So I want to learn English more to understand when I watch movie, so I don't have to look the subtitle. Maybe there is that, and I like English too.
Oh, okay, that's good. Could you guys please give applause for Ayunda?
Okay.
So perhaps I will tell my reason then in the last, right?
Okay.
So I think we can move to the
Second, okay.
Faros, yeah.
Why I choose Bistro from my major? It's because I think English is very cool when you have conversation with someone. It's like cool, bro. Like, yo, bro, where you at? What's good?
Oh, you ate that.
I love that, and I love to listening some music. And that my music currently is from outside Indonesia actually, and because that I choose my Peace Pro in my major.
Okay, so wow, that's great. Could you guys please give applause for Faros? Okay, so let's move to the Anastasia.
For me, I want to up my professional communication, both in English or professional context. It just
Oh,
I want to
okay,
learn skills.
I see. So I get it. So let's give applause for Anastasia. Okay, so it means that this is my turn
Yeah,
to
it's
give
your
the
turn.
reasons why I choose this pro. So actually, at the first time, I wanna join the psychology and communication science at the, in Indonesia we say it SNBP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then I'm getting rejected, and then I try SNBT,
Yeah.
and then I choose this major in the first choice. Why I choose this? Because I think I wanna learn about English and I wanna improving my communication skills, of course, because in the industry, yeah, and so many jobs that require the English skills,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So because of that, I joined this major. I choose this major in this university in UPN Veteran Jawa Timur,
Yeah.
of course. So, okay, let's go back to our topic today, which is how to be mentally healthy during study. When we talk about mentally healthy, I think it's really hard, right?
Yeah, it's really hard.
Really.
So, my questions is, what is the most stressful things in the university life, in the campus life? I mean, I want to know, guys, about that before we talk to them about how to be mentally healthy. Like, what is the most stressful?
Maybe the most stressful is like in our major we have a project, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There's a lot
Okay.
project, but at the same time, like at our major, like every mata apa sih
Course.
Courses,
every
yeah.
course we have our many project, like you have to make some events or make some dramas, musical drama, and then you have to make some maybe like vlog, like public speaking to so that's make me really stressful because it comes at the same time.
Oh, okay. So the stressful things is our project and our major.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that's all from Ayunda, yeah, I think. So how about you, Faros?
I think same as Ayunda. Like others major, the lecturer give him the project is like the what is called like jangka.
Skill? What? I don't really know, but in Indonesia we say it jangka.
Yeah. It's like 1 month or 2 months.
Oh, it will be a long time.
Yeah, it will be a long time.
A journey.
Yeah, a journey.
Okay.
But in our major, it's like 1 week or 2 weeks. Like, oh my God, bro, give us some time.
Yeah, we need to take a rest.
Yeah.
Really.
Not all about this, bro. Not all about the projects, bro.
Yeah. Okay.
We need to have some fun. We need to play games.
Yeah. Yeah.
We need to rest.
Yeah.
Like that. Bro.
Agree.
Oh my God.
So, is it enough?
Yeah, is it enough? It's enough.
It's all about the project, guys.
Yeah.
So how about Anastasia?
I have the same too. In
Okay.
the third semester,
Okay.
that project is
Yeah.
There are so many projects
Yeah.
that we have to
Especially-
finish, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Especially in third semester.
really third semester.
Yeah, but yeah, I also remember that in our first semester we also have a musical drama
Yeah.
and a big, what's that? Big size events.
Yeah, big event, big
a big
events.
event. And then the second semester we have to create a company profile,
Company
right?
profile,
Like
yeah.
our study program profile videos. And then in this third semester, we also have like Duta Bis Pro. We call it Duta Bis Pro, and then CSR.
CSR, Bispro visits.
Yeah, and there's so many projects
Oh
in
my
our
God.
in our study program. But
Our
we are
program.
happy, right? We are happy, right?
Happy.
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
happy.
we are happy.
Happy.
So okay, the next question is, have you had any exciting experience during field observations or project visits? Like yesterday we came to the
PT
what's
PT
that?
Pelindo.
PT Pelindo Terminal Teluk
Teluk
Lamong.
Lamong,
right?
yeah.
So, have you excited with that?
Yesterday I was really excited about it because I like to study on the field because we can see the PT Pelindo, how was the work how they work their company, and then I can go to Pelabuhan Terminal Lamong because that was a big place and I want to go there because that really amazing place, I think. And then do you remember when we was going to hotel to do
Platinum, right?
Table manner.
Yeah, Table Manor.
Yeah, table manner. That was really fun because
Yeah.
we can eat a lot but we learn about table manner.
Okay.
That's really make me
And that
happy.
and that is free.
Yes, that's free. You can
that costs.
eat a lot of food and free.
So the important thing is free.
Most important.
Okay, so you are a practical person, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, me
That's
personally of also that yeah, kind of that type. Yeah, I also the practical person, so I'm not really like the theoretical one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, so I just wanna choose that if there are any options like practic or theories, I will choose this practic.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
me too.
practic is I think that's most important, but I don't say that the theory is unimportant. It's really important because when we want to practice, when we want to doing something,
yeah.
we have to know about
The theory
it.
first.
Yeah. So yeah, we are both as a practical person. So
Yeah.
how about Faros and Anastasia? Who's gonna say it first?
What excuse me?
Okay.
In PT Pelindo is more fun, and actually it's great because I never know like the thing is so big. What is called crayon?
Crane.
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 Mhm.
And what's the big things like long,
Container?
so long? No, not that. Like what is called?
Truck.
No, not that.
That's the place for the
Move the container to
No.
like
What
a
is-
corn and
Yeah.
rice, right?
What is that?
I forget. actually, I'm sorry.
Crayon. What is that? I don't know what is that.
Yeah.
It's so. I think it's so. Bro, it's now the technology is so good.
Mhm.
Like the long way,
Mhm.
but it takes only one thing,
Mhm.
and it goes to the chest.
Mhm.
Oh my god, that is so good. I think,
Mhm.
and it's so many shape
Uh-huh.
because I want become to be a pirate actually.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, that's great. How about Anastasia?
I have a same with Rizky and Ayunda. I like practice.
Mm-hmm.
So when we go to Pelindo,
Mm-hmm.
I really what's what? Excited about that because we go to Pelindo, we see
The view
the view
of the harbor.
Nah,
Okay, so yeah, all of us have a great experience when we going to the place like for visiting
Yeah.
and then doing a practice. Like, yeah, I also agree with you. Like when we went to the Platinum hotels,
Platinum Hotel.
it's really fun.
Yeah.
And it's just free for us to eat more foods, right? We call it in Indonesia perbaikan gizi.
yeah.
What's that?
Perbaikan gizi.
Repairing gizi. Yeah, like
we can
that.
eat a lot of food that we never tried.
Yeah, and there is so many nutritions in that
Yeah,
food,
that's
right?
Yeah.
right.
Okay, so it makes us healthy. Not just a mental, but it's about the physics,
Yeah,
right?
physics.
Okay.
And I remember what Miss Laxmi said to us for men actually. She said like, you look good today, like that,
Yeah.
because we're dressed with
With
jazz,
Yeah.
with
We look great today with jazz and then tie,
Yeah,
right?
tie.
And then what's next? A pantofel one.
Yeah, pantofel one.
shoes. And then, yeah, we are in a white and black and a monochrome tone
Yeah.
of dress codes. Okay, so let's go back to the mental things, mentally healthy. Do you think that mental is important, guys?
yes,
Yeah,
it's
of course,
so important.
Why? Can I know about the reasons why you thought that mentally healthy is important for students?
For me, if mental health is really important because if we're stressful, we cannot do anything. Even you don't want to eat anything. If you stress, you don't want to eat, you don't want to sleep. You're very nauseous and really how does it bingung,
Confused.
confused. You don't know what to do and everything. It's so mess.
Yeah,
Everything
I
gonna be
see.
mess.
Okay. And how about you guys?
mental is so important because imagine you waking up in the morning with angry.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is it takes me sometimes because every time I wake up in the morning, I see the group chat. It says about what's about the project, what's about your PPT. Oh my god, bro, and I'm so lazy to wake up in my bed. And I will take to rest again. And sometimes I don't take some class, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know it.
It's because to keep our mental health
Yeah,
safe.
yeah.
That's right.
Okay, to keep your mental health safe. Okay. So how about Anastasia?
same with iron. When I'm stressed,
You can handle that,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
When you are stressed.
Yeah.
I see. So me too, guys. I think that mental health is really important for us, especially for students. Why? Because if we want to doing something, if we want to learning something, we have to be ready first.
Yeah,
Like not just about physics, but our mental also. So I personally, when I'm not in a good conditions, I cannot handle everything. I'm not the multitasking one person. Like, if I'm not ready yet, I can handle all of the assignments and all of my work, of course, right? Because I'm a working student.
Yeah, I know.
So that's why I think that mental health is important. So if we want to take a rest and we have to take a time to prepare ourselves, yeah, I think it will be okay.
Yeah.
But we do it in a good way.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Not in my way. Like, absent. Don't do that, guys.
No, I'm not saying that their options is not good, but yeah. Yeah, that's it. I can't say anything because yeah, gitulah. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So I think we can move to the next questions, right?
Okay.
So in this prompter, I think the next questions is, what is the funniest or most absurd thing that has happened while studying at BizPro?
Funniest or absurd? Maybe when the project it's come to at the same time, right? But my campus at my home is so far, so I have to go with motorcycle, and I'm really tired, and I choose to stay in my friend place in my
In your friend's boarding house?
boarding house, yeah, to sleep there with my other friends too, and I not come back to my home at 3 days just to finish my project.
Wow. Oh, wow.
That really tired, but it's very fun because I can have fun with my friends while I'm stressed. Because when I come to home, I just can come to home and sleep. But when I with my friends, maybe in my boarding house, we can eat together. We can sharing our story. We can sleep together and have some fun with my friends. At least that makes me not more stress
I
for the
see.
project.
Oh, wow. Okay. She's very effort
Yeah,
for the
she's very
projects. And she never came back home at 4 days.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Okay. So I'm actually speechless.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, let's get to know about you guys. How about you, Farah?
Funniest thing is maybe when I with my friends. It's, I think you guys know, once my friend is annoyed when some lecture is explained about the major.
Okay.
His name is Rino.
Oh, okay.
You know, when the lecture is explained, he's talking to me, but his voice is so loud, man. It's like, can you just make it not louder? Can you silent, please? I want to focus. I want to focus, bro. But when he talk, it's funny. It's funny.
Yeah.
But it's annoying too. I don't know what it's called, man. It's funny, but
So yeah.
yeah, it's so. I don't know.
Sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's annoying.
Yeah.
Okay.
But and man, I think man is simple creature. Like when we got stressed with our projects, I think we just make a jokes within. Like don't make project stress you. Like just let it flow. Let it go.
Yeah. Like Anna and Elsa said, let
Yeah.
it go.
Let it go.
Okay. Yeah, it's our inside joke.
Yeah.
Okay, so how about Anastasia?
For me, when I'm presentation with my friends, so I accidentally open a group chat. So everyone see what's my chat and my friend's chat. So have a photos. My friend, my jokes inside, so everyone see.
Oh,
That
okay.
very
I see that. All right. Wow.
So
So,
absurd.
it's absurd and sometimes it's funny too,
Yeah,
right?
it's funny.
yeah,
too.
yeah.
So I think the most absurd one in my campus life, yeah, actually project.
Yeah.
Projects is absurd, guys. Sometimes we say like, oh my god, I'm really tired. But after we finish all of the projects, oh my god, I missed that project.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think in Indonesia we say it's manusiawi, guys.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
manusiawi.
it's manusiawi, guys. So yeah. I think-
Especially like project in first semester, right?
Yeah.
It's like a big event.
Mhm.
It's so stressful, but when the project is finished, it's like, oh my god, I want to do it again.
Mhm.
Because
Because-
it's our first time.
Yeah, it's funny.
Mhm.
And after that, our friends, we're friends.
Okay.
Bonding with
Yeah.
It's
our
like
friends.
soulmate.
Mhm.
It's just like we're growing like group, like big family.
Yeah. It gains our what's that? Our our
So
our soul, and then it makes our relationships like
yeah,
good, more better than
Yeah.
before. And then after the musical drama, of course, after our first semester's project, I think I miss that so much because the process is the attractive one, is the interesting things in our semester, right? Yeah.
But
That's-
that's reason why I not come back to my home because the project. But it's very fun.
I see. And I think that is also our memorable things, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
The project.
yeah, the project.
So
Right.
if we talk about Wispro, the memorable things is project. Like what are we doing today is our project.
Project.
yeah,
Yeah, our
That's why
practical.
we're here.
Yes. Yeah. And don't forget to what's that? Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah,
Tribun News,
Tribun
right?
News.
Tribuners. So perhaps they what?
cakap sana, cakap sini.
Yeah, don't forget to watch Cakap Sana, Cakap Sini in every time that you want, right?
Yeah,
Especially here are our sessions.
yeah,
So you have to drop your comment. Perhaps you are agree with our opinion or you have any experiences, you may drop it in the comments. So I think we still have like a few questions.
okay.
So it's just a quick questions. How do you manage your time and other things while studying? Like, yeah, it's part of being mentally healthy
Yeah.
during study, right? During study. How?
I'm personally not studying person, so just let it go, let it go, let it flow.
Mm-hmm.
I just maybe to release my stress, just watch movies, watch series, or listen to music.
Mm-hmm.
Just that, and if tomorrow have exam, just do it and go home.
Yeah,
That's-
okay, that's it. And how about you? How do you manage your time while you're studying?
I think I'm not studying person, but
Okay.
but when it exams comes,
Mhm.
I will studying so hard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I see. Okay, and how about you?
Same with Faros.
Okay. So I think there is some tips that if you want to manage your time, Tribuners. So you have to create like to-do list
yeah,
and then adjust the priority list and then you can finish what is the most important first and then you can finish others. You can finish your other assignments or other things that you
Activities.
do. Yeah, so you can doing other activity after you finish the most important one
yeah.
in your priority list. So, okay, I think we still have a time, right?
Yeah.
So, perhaps you can give like perhaps message to the tribuners to keep their mental health safe, like during study, especially for students like us.
Okay.
Maybe Faros first.
In university, if you are
If you are what? If you are chaotic, if you are not in a good conditions or what?
No. If you're in college,
Mm-hmm.
I think
I see.
if you're in first semester or second or third, I think you have to really make some many memories with your friends, because when it's come on fourth or fifth semester, it's maybe so difficult, and it have you to prepare your future,
Yeah.
because it's really hard, I think.
Okay. Next, perhaps from Anastasia.
I mean, you have a future, guys, but when you stress it, you can take a rest, you can sleep all day, that's okay.
Okay, so from Anastasia, what we get is if you need a time to take a rest, yeah, just take it, because
Yes, take it.
our future is so long, right? It's
Yeah.
a long
Yes,
journey.
yes.
Long
yeah?
journey.
When we are not ready yet, when we are not proper, when we are not prepared our mental health, it will be
So hard.
difficult. Yeah, it
Yeah.
will be so hard for us to keep our journey like smooth. And how about Ayunda?
Maybe think like if you stress, just going to sleep, do something to make you happy, and then if you tired, don't be scared. You're with your friends. If your friends more smart or more have future, but maybe not that time. Maybe soon you have a great future, but maybe not at that time.
Okay, I see. Oh, wow, that's really cool. What a great and nice message, yeah, for Tribuners.
Yeah.
So I think for me, just 2 words: be yourself. Because
Yeah.
if you want to keep your mental health safe, I think we just have to be ourselves, right?
Yeah.
We just have to be, what's that? Kind, and then in Indonesia we say jujur. Yeah, and then yeah, I think just that. If you want to keep your mental health safe, and if you want to being mentally healthy during study, yeah, just do what you are like most while you are tired,
Yeah.
right? And if you want to take a rest, just take it. You have a time, guys. Okay, last quick questions. What is your hobby, guys? Because I know that sometimes if we want to relieve our stress,
Yeah.
we just
we do. Our
yeah,
hobby.
we do.
Our hobby.
Yeah. What is your hobby?
My hobby. I have a lot of hobby, but the most is maybe watch movies,
Watch movies.
watch series, and listening music and reading. I like reading, but not books. Like Wattpad, like
I see, I
Wattpad,
see.
and then Twitter.
Yeah.
We call right now X, right? I like to read that. I can read Wattpad or Twitter at 12 hours, like 12 hours to read the story, because that make me happy and not stressed with my assignments. I think. And then maybe movies. Maybe I like watch movie in horror movies. That way.
Okay. And how about Faros?
I have a lot of hobby, but the thing that I love, the favorite thing I do is listening music. It's so worked when I feel so stressed, feel so chaotic in my head. I will listening music, but I playing some games too. But when I stress or chaotic, I don't play like competitive game.
Okay.
I will play like story game or simple game or fun game, because if you stress and you play competitive game and you lose, and you will so very stressed, bro.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
bro, I want to win, why the enemy so hard, man? Like that.
yeah, I see. Yeah, because when we want to play like a competitive game,
Yeah.
it will make us more stressed.
Yeah, bener.
than before.
Yeah.
I see that. So, okay, how about Anastasia? What is your hobby?
My hobby is football.
Oh,
but
wow.
I have an
Football?
accident,
Oh, okay.
so now I cannot play the game. So my
Oh,
hobby now
wow.
is
Sorry to hear
playing
that.
game. Yes.
Okay, so you got an accident, and that's why right now
Play
you
the
can't
game.
play football.
I can, but no at the long time.
Can you do the banana shoot? Like whoosh, like that.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
She's an athlete, bro.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Sorry for asking that.
okay. I'm sorry to hear that you got an accident.
okay,
that's
I'm sorry. So, okay,
Your hobby?
are you curious with my hobby, guys?
Yeah.
Of course, be curious about your hobby.
But I know one thing. Your hobby,
What?
singing.
Oh my god. Yeah, you guys know me so well. Thanks.
Yeah, your voice
Thanks,
so
thanks,
good,
thanks.
Rizky,
He's
bro.
a good singer,
Thanks.
guys.
He's
Oh
the
my
winner of Fizzy Fest, man.
Give a play.
Number 1 from Bispro.
Thanks. Yeah, perhaps you wanna relieve your stress. You can singing. You can listen music.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can
Watch movie.
watch movies, especially horror movies, right? And then you can also
Play game.
playing football,
Yeah.
doing your whatever you want, like a sport or art, dancing,
Dancing, yeah.
yeah, making a TikTok content,
Yeah.
what you want, just do it to keep your mental health safe during study. So okay, last, do you have another opinion or another things that you want to say to the tribuners?
I think it's now.
I think
I think it's-
that's all for me.
That's all for
Okay.
me. That's for us.
Yeah, that's all from us because we have to go back to our university to finish our classes. Yeah, to
Project and
finish our
classes.
project. Yes. So, tribuners, if you want to be mentally healthy during study, just take some time if you
Yeah.
need a rest, and then doing what you
What do you want to do? What
yeah.
you favorite to do?
Mm-hmm.
To make you happy.
Yeah.
So yeah, it will be keep your mental health safe. So I think that's all from us. We are from Bispro students and see
See
you.
you.
Bye bye.